Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off function of hiding camera cutout in our Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off. So settings, then in the display menu we have our where it is camera cutout. And by default, every application is set to auto. Our calendar, however, is set up to hide camera cutout. We can, of course, show this cutout. So now this function is turned off for our calendar application only. And that's it. If you want to change more options, you can do it freely. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.